Hi, I'm Bindu Shekharan from Loft and Lines. So we are in an apartment complex called Regency Pinnacle Heights. So this is one of my first project. So I want to take you through my work, that is Aspen C1.
Hi, I'm Shobha. We started living in this house almost 10 years back. While we were giving this house for interior to Bindu, we were not having a plan to, live here. Actually, we kept it as a secondary house.
We thought we would rent it out
Yeah.
at some point.
Exactly.
Most of the soft furnishings weren't done by then, but just the layout of the house and the space the energy that it had really made us want to move in here. And the whole journey of interior design did not just end with just fixing the cabinets or doing a TV unit, but then it involved choosing more nuanced pieces like just curios or cushion covers, or even smaller details, tiny little details for which Bindu made sure to come with us, shop with our aesthetics, keeping our family's comfort in mind. And that whole journey was very interesting for us, that by the end of it, like my mother said, we wanted to live here.
Yes.
And we never ended up.
We were very new to Bangalore
Yes,
actually.
yes.
that
We
time.
were new to Bangalore as well, and now this is home. 10 years or 12 years into this, it still doesn't feel outdated, which is a big point for us, because still when friends or family come in, they really like the aesthetic, and we keep getting questions of, oh, who did the house? And we're happy, completely happy with this home.
This is one of my favorite places in this home. It was a single hall with no separation here. Bindu made this separation here, and this is a very comfortable, lower seating arrangement. And this is a favorite place for me because I do my reading in this
Reading,
place.
morning coffee
Yeah,
and newspapers.
exactly, and spending time with friends whenever somebody visits us.
It's a cozy
It's a very-
corner.
Yeah, I love this place.
Yeah.
Let Malu to talk what she liked about this foyer.
Yeah, so I mean, like we said earlier, we envisioned this as just a home which we would rent out at some point. But as we entered, I still remember that we entered and we saw these beautiful ambient lighting and the wallpapers that was given this fluted corner. It didn't feel like a rented home, it really felt like a place we wanted to stay in. So, which is why we ended up staying here. And particularly this lighting, which I've not seen anywhere else. I quite like this piece myself.
Yeah,
this was
so
all
this-
mostly done before we came. So from the hall, as we go in, again, Bindu made sure to give a separation so that there's a privacy between the hall and the dining space, which then leads on to the kitchen and the bedrooms in our home. The dining area specifically has a beautiful Shiva painting, which again was sourced through her.
Yeah.
Which
So
was-
here I wanted to add, because Malu is a dancer,
Yes.
so that also was there in my mind to give that Shiva
The
painting there.
Raja Murthy. Yes. It's definitely a special piece for us. And the crockery unit as well was done in a slightly different pattern, making sure to have enough utility but also a beautiful asymmetrical design element going on there. And then we have the kitchen, which I think my mother uses more than any of us, and she finds it very utility oriented.
Yes, because we don't have a separate storeroom.
Yeah.
So with compact cupboards and all everything, we can.
Yes, even
Now
for
I'm
like
happy that my all steps are going inside.
the bedrooms, of course, there's been, even with the headboards of our beds, like there has been design elements thought and put into it. We have banana fiber sandwiched in glass used in one of our headboards, and then she used coasters, I remember.
Yeah,
Back
for the
then,
master
yeah, for
bedroom,
the
we used
master bedroom.
coasters for the headboard.
Yes, to create a headboard out of coasters. Yes, and even coconut shell.
For wardrobes.
For wardrobes,
and,
yes.
For TV unit
For
also.
the TV unit, yes. So there were all different
Different elements
thought
we put
processes,
it into
yes,
together.
which was used. So the guest bedroom here also adds as a workroom for us, because the bed is a foldable one with adequate storage given inside, so we don't always have to open it out and use it as a full-time bedroom, where it goes in as a lounge area with a work desk, which is again foldable and easily conceals that whatever clutter is there of a work desk when we don't want to use it. So that room is very functional in that way, and we also have a little puja unit installed there, which was also designed by her carpenters. Honestly, we couldn't say that it was her first project. When we saw the final output, nobody could say that it was her first project. Truly, yes.
So we are happy.
Very happy with this work.